Hermes Agent just dropped its biggest update ever. 47% faster. Browser automation. Multi-agent swarms. And you can install it with one command. First, speed. The agent loop is now 47% faster thanks to hotpath optimizations. Terminal commands save 195 milliseconds per call. Cold start is 19 seconds faster. And browser console eval. 180 times faster through persistent WebSocket connections. No more manually launching Chrome with debug flags. Hermes now auto-detects and launches Chromium browsers for CDP. It just works. Web search got a complete overhaul. Pluggable backends, Brave, DuckDuckGo, SearXNG, Exa, Tavily, XAI, Firecrawl. Each with search, extract, and crawl capabilities. Switch providers in one config line. The Kanban system is now a full multi-agent orchestrator. Drag to delete tasks. Scheduled status for delayed follow-ups. Respawn guards to prevent worker storms. Worker visibility. Review agents. This is swarm intelligence. Computer use now works with any model, not just Claude. A universal CUA driver handles screenshots, clicks, keyboard input. Background safe, focus safe. New platforms, Simplex Chat, Line Messaging, Microsoft Teams Pipeline, Google Chat. Plus 16 languages, fully localized gateway and dashboard. Telegram got draft streaming, native buttons for the Clarify tool, and notification modes. For developers, LSP diagnostics are now real. Write a file, get actual language server errors inline. Session handoff transfers live sessions across platforms. Skill bundles load multiple skills with one/command. And the whole thing installs from PyPI now, pip install Hermes Agent. Windows is finally a first-class citizen. Native install, scheduled tasks for the gateway, portable minute GIT bundled, UTF-8 STIO, crash-free startup. No WSL required. Link in the description. Star it on GitHub. This is the most capable open-source AI agent in existence, and it's free. I'm building with it every single day. Subscribe to TechCareer Academy for more AI tools, remote job opportunities, and tech tutorials every week. Hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.